Yongte WPC granulation machine has the advantages of high efficiency, high quality, high automatic, saving power, easy operation. It uses specially designed parallel twin screw made by wearing material, which can make the wood and plastic mixture material uniformly plasticized and granulated in a short time. It can work for recycled PP or PE plastic, and wood powder percentage can be 60–70. At the same time, it has precise control over key parameters, such as temperature and pressure, to ensure that the produced wood plastic pellets are uniform in size, dense in texture, and stable in performance. The complete electricity system is designed for high quality, high safety, easy operation, easy maintenance. Now we have this complete WPC granulation machine in our factory stock. We sincerely invite customers to visit our factory and glad to show you machine running.